Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to speak message aloud on Discord. So, for example, if you don't want to read a message that's, for example, very long, then what you guys want to do is go over and select a message. You're gonna right click and then go over and click on speak message. Now in your headphones, you'll hear hard reset at 2:11 p.m. said, and here we will have the SAD, ASD, ASD, ASD. So that's basically how you guys can speak the message aloud on Discord. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.